it's your girl Miss Tamika. Today I have a unboxing. Yes, it's nothing on the front, so you don't know where it's from, but if you want to see where it's from, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, you know I had to get something from my girl Jacyln Hill. Been a fan of hers since day one. So when she came out with the Vote palette and the brush set, okay, I was like, okay, let me go ahead and get it, because when it first launched, I did miss it. It came back out the same day the brush set came out, so that's why I jumped on. There is the packaging, and I actually ordered this from the Morphe website. They do sell them inside of Ulta, but I wanted the actual whole set, and I did get the brush set. I didn't get the full face set. Only wanted the eye set because, again, I have a lot of face brushes. I mainly like using different eye brushes, so that's why I only got the eye set. Then I got the Vote set. The brush set, like I said, I didn't get the full set because that was almost, it was like $180 something. I was like, okay, so what I may do is just go back and get the little box that you can purchase separately. Of course, that was sold out, and I think it was only $21, so I was like, okay, that's not really that expensive. I used that box to place my brushes in, but I do like this packaging because, again, the glitter is not going to get everywhere. It's embedded in the bag, so again, you won't have a glittery mess. Anything she rave about, I like to purchase, you know, again, if I can afford it. So when I saw that she came out with her own brushes, I was really excited because if you follow her, you know her eye makeup is always on fleek. In my opinion, it's really, really nice. The oh, it doesn't have like what the type of brushes are. I don't have to really go through them because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of video. She has a video where she goes into detail about each brush. I'm gonna just show you. Like I said, it came with a set of 8 brushes, and it has her JH logo on the top, and then it has Morphe x Jacyln Hill across the brush, and it also has the number. I'm super excited because I love new brushes. So yeah, I got the brush set. Last but not least, y'all, I got this Morphe Vote palette. Sets I wasn't really thrilled about because, again, I'm more so of a neutral type of girl. Why not try to get out your comfort zone? And the packaging is really cute. Like, this is something I may display on my vanity area if I can find some space, because with me having this new vanity mirror, it took up a lot of my space. Dark Magic Armed and Dangerous Bling Balls and Ring the Alarm palette, and again, it comes displayed in this cute white packaging, and the packaging is like a thick cardboard type of packaging. On these swatches, because again, I'm pretty sure it's millions out there where you guys can take a look if you are interested. I just wanted to do a really quick unboxing. So here is one of the palettes out of the packaging. So the fact that they do come with its own mirror, so say you want to go and take this on vacation or anything like that, you do have your own little mirror display. And this is the palette Ring the Alarm. This is the one I was going to buy separately at Ulta because warm neutral tones. On to the next palette. This is Bling Balls. Wow, this one is really pretty, y'all. Look how pretty. Again, my type of colors, warm neutral type colors. And like I said, they all come with the mirror, comes with the clear film. The next palette is Armed and Dangerous, no, Armed and Gorgeous, and I think this is the one with the yellow. Now this was the palette I'm a little scared of because, like I said, these are not my normal colors, but again, it doesn't hurt to go out your comfort zone. So yeah, you guys, this is that palette here. May have to watch a few more videos just to get some looks regarding this palette. Last but not least, we have the Magic palette. Again, this is, I guess, more of a cool tone palette. Again, not my typical colors, but why not try something new? So like I said, so far so good. All the shadows came intact. Nothing was damaged or cracked or anything like that, because sometimes when you order palettes, sometimes my palettes will come damaged, or one of the shadows is ruined or whatever. I'm the type of person, I don't care how much I pay, even if it's on sale or not. I like all my stuff to be intact. Like, I don't I'll call customer service real quick and be like, oh no, I need a new palette, even if it was on sale. Don't let me be the one to mess it up or ruin it or whatever the case is. Like I was saying, that was all I got. Again, just the eye set and the Vote. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like these types of videos, give this video a big thumbs up. Need to do a look with this palette. Leave it down in the comment section what color, what palette you would like me to do a tutorial on, because again, I don't mind doing that. And also, before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click that notification bell to be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye. Your face so pretty to me, makeup could make it. But I think that I'm done.